Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physics quickly. Begin by solidifying your mathematical foundation, especially algebra and calculus, as these are the language of physics. Next, grasp the core principles like Newton's 3 laws of motion and the conservation of energy. Prioritize understanding the why behind phenomena before tackling intricate calculations. This foundational approach will save you significant time and effort in the long run, making advanced topics much more accessible. To accelerate your learning, engage in active problem-solving daily. Don't just read solutions, actively work through a diverse range of problems yourself. When stuck, review example problems, breaking down each step to understand the methodology. A powerful technique is to explain concepts out loud to an imaginary audience or a friend. This process reveals any weaknesses in your comprehension, allowing you to address them immediately and solidify your knowledge. Visualization is a powerful tool for quick physics learning. Always draw diagrams for problems, illustrating forces, vectors, and fields. Employ analogies to link abstract physics ideas to everyday experiences, making them more intuitive. Develop robust mental models of how physical systems behave and interact. For instance, imagine a ball rolling down a ramp to understand gravitational potential energy converting to kinetic energy. This approach enhances intuition and problem-solving speed. Consistent review is crucial for retaining physics knowledge quickly. Schedule regular short review sessions to revisit key concepts and formulas. Actively look for opportunities to apply physics principles to real-world situations, like understanding how a car turns or why a boat floats. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from instructors or peers on your problem-solving methods. This continuous cycle of learning, applying, and refining will significantly boost your mastery and speed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.